Today I'm going to be playing with Ray. I'm trying to give her some bacon. Ray, sit. Sit. No, speak. I'm trying to back up. Ray. Okay, sit. Sit. Speak. 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 Ray, speak. Whoa. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be doing anything here, bro. Bro, what are you doing? Hey, don't make that face on me. Ray, speak.
Which one was that? 2,700?
Whoa, dude, bro, just chill out. Okay, I'll give her the piece of bacon. Want the piece of bacon? We're gonna play a game. Turbo is gonna be joining us. Turbo is hardly even a face. Ray, you want to play chase? She's playing chase. We're playing chase. Ray, want some music? Let's play some music. Alexa. Play It's Going Down for Real.
It's Going Down for Real by Walter Jones.
What the? Come on! Whoa. She's chasing me. Whoa. What are you doing? Okay. There she is. Ray's dragging it today. Turbo, what are you doing? Let's go find the tutorial.
Girl, just kiss the girl. I do my trick, shake for a shake. I'm throwing these M-rays in the sky. Spinning this awesome like a
Mom, when do we ever get to jam? Okay. Ready? She loves it too. Ready? Guys, she literally runs so fast. Go! I'm joking. JK, she runs so slow. What are you doing? No. You don't do that in public. You don't do that in public. You hear me? No. You're suspicious. Suspicious. I'm a pirate. Whoa, I took that from you. Boom. I took that from you. Want it, Ray? Come get it. Woo! Well, did you guys see that? It flew up high in the air. So yeah, this is a dog day. Just playing with my dog. Ray's really sad because remember Wrigley? Well, she left. Yeah. I got both of her chew toys, guys. Whoa. I'm sorry it's not showing my face today. It's just I want it so really safe because she's a spotlight today. And yes, she's a golden retriever. Ready? Fire! Okay, now we can run from her. Good. Hey! Fine, I just find Turbo. Oh, bro, you're over there? Bro, I was looking all over for you. Bro. Wait. Okay, guys, we're running as fast as I can because it's like a monkey is chasing us. Like, literally. And Turbo, help me. Bro. Do you know anything? It's nice working for you. It's nice working with you. Found her. We found her. Whew. I'm tired. Whoa, why is it dark in here? Ray, want to do fat? Whoa, dude, what are you doing? You're like a monkey, a vicious human. Ready? Toward. Woo, bye.